Hey guys, it's Junior here at Top Dog Tire. We got this 2021 Ram 1500. We're taking off that boring stock exhaust and throwing on this brand new Flowmaster exhaust. It's going to come with black tips to match the black paint on the truck. It's going to give it that mean sound. So if you want to get with us today at 706-534-9953 or any social media platforms and get with us today so we can get your automotive needs taken care of.
Andou na prancha, cuidado, tubarão vai te pegar.
Tubarão, te amo, Falcão, te amo, Erika.
Apaixonadão, porque aqui é só tubarão. Enquanto tu tá apaixonada, nós empurra no montão.
Apaixonadão, porque aqui é só tubarão. Enquanto tu tá apaixonada,